Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the AWS TV app to your Android TV without using Play Store. This is very easy. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you're searching for a way to install the AWS TV, here's what to do. Now, in your Android TV, we're going to be using this application called Downloader. Now, I'm using this because it's very simple. If you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, there's a description in this video. I've added a link there where you can download at your Android TV. So after following the video in the description and downloading Downloader, you go ahead and launch it. Downloader is a very nice application for Android TV. I use it to download lots of applications and also install apps to my Android TV. I also use it as a browser. So once you install it to your Android TV and launch, here's how it's going to look like. Now the simple thing you have to do is to come out here and type in this code to install this particular application we're interested in. So the code is, so come over here and type in the code 594258. 594258. So use the code. Once you're done, just go ahead and click go. What is going to happen is that downloader is just going to go straight away to downloading this particular application to our Android TV. And this is how to download the AWS TV application to your Android TV. So here's it. Just going to start downloading right now. So here's it downloading. You can just give it a moment. And once it's done downloading, you can just go ahead and click on installing. So here's the application downloading. Now that it's done downloading, just go ahead and click install. And the application is going to be installed to your Android TV if it's compatible to your Android TV. That's how to download and install the application to your Android TV. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.